Hey Eurofans, buongiorno Italia, ti voglio bene. So today we are going to listen to the Italian entry, which is Diodato, and he is singing Fai Rumore. Now, with Italy, whenever the Italians pick their song, we stand up and pay attention because Italy have done very well in recent years. Look at Soldi, look at Occidentale's Karma, look at Grand Amore. And I personally think that we are just waiting for an Italian win to come soon. So let's have a look to see what Diodato is going to sing in Rotterdam. Let's go, Fai Rumore. And I think that means you're making noise, I think that means, but I'll have a look later. Okay, let's go. Andiamo. Sanremo Festival. Excellent. Okay, let's go. Oh, he's sweet. Oh, Italian is such a wonderful, wonderful language, isn't it? Beautiful. Lovely stage at Sanremo this year, beautiful. Oh, so it's a big ballad. Oh, what a great voice. Okay, love it. Love it. Beautiful. Of course, it's going to be straight in the final, so it's going to get a few votes. How do Italy do this? How do they send so many good songs? Like, what is it in their catalogue of wonders that they have? Oh, yes. And quite catchy as well. Like, I already feel like I know it as well. As I'm listening to it. It's quite a simple structure, but very effective. And he can sing really, really well, which is good. And lots of potential for good staging with this. They could do a lot, which is good. Because at Sanremo they have the orchestra traditionally at the front, don't they, or on the side, so they're quite limited in space at Sanremo. But at Eurovision, they could do, there's a lot more opportunity for them to go big. Oh, I just love Italian songs. I do. I have such a weakness for Italian songs. It's rare to get a bad Italian song, I have to say. Oh, that was so sweet. It was so sweet. And I like that a lot. It's a great song. It's a great Italian entry. It's a strong Italian entry, and we expect Italian entries to be honest. We expect Italian entries to be strong at Eurovision nowadays, don't we? Um, it will go straight to the final, obviously, because it's a big five. Is it going to win? Am I getting the same sort of vibes I was getting from Soldi or Occidentale's Karma? Grand Amore, those other big songs that have done well. I'm not sure yet. I think it'll grow on me. I think it's a terrific song. I think it's a strong Italian song. At the moment, I think it's a bit too early to say if I think that could win. But it's got the hallmarks of doing very well. I think that will do well for Italy. I could see that being in the top 10 in the grand final for sure. And I like it a lot. But that's what I think. What do you think? Do you like Fai Rumore? Do you think it's a winner for Italy? Do let me know. And we've got lots more videos coming because Eurovision season is well underway. So I will see you soon. Take care, take care guys. Arrivederci.